Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change an incoming call background picture on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to tap on the phone application. Next, tap on the option key at the top. Then from the pop-up, choose settings. In settings, tap on call background. In the call background page, tap on the background button. Now in here there are some available background that you could choose. There are video background. Now if you want to choose your own background, tap on the plus button. Then you can select a background picture from gallery or create using AR emoji. So let's choose one from the gallery and then select a photo. Next you can readjust the photos to your liking, and then once you're happy, tap on set as call background, and that's it. So now if someone calls you, you will have a new call background or an incoming call background on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.